Why does my video not take off? Explaining the YouTube Shorts algorithm. Why a short takes off without knowing exactly why this has happened. So short surge when the algorithm is at its exploit stage. And first to note, let's get into the first stage, which is explore. The explore phase is when your short gets sent out to a seed audience, and the seed audience acts as a focus group, acting to minimize regret and maximize engagement. Impressions test long-form content such as regular YouTube videos, while views test short-form content. So I'm stuck at one view. What we're going to recommend is that you not re-upload this because your account can be marked as spam, flagged as spam. And again, we want is to get out of the explore phase and hit those exploit target markets. So at 1,000 views, or even starting off at 100 views, exploit to 1,000 views, and then from 1,000 views to 10,000 views. So both exploit phases at 100, 1,000, 10,000. Subscribe.